Hey, what's up guys? Mike here, welcome back to the channel. So right here in front of me, I've got a new camera. This is the Sony A6600, and we're gonna be unboxing this in this video today. So just really quick, I know this isn't the type of video you're used to seeing from me on this channel. If you're new here, I typically make travel and adventure films where I try new things, but I thought it might be kind of interesting for you to see me unbox this brand new camera, as I'll probably be using it on upcoming projects. I did get this camera sent to me for free from Sony, which was awesome. So I was lucky enough to attend Sony's camera camp back in September, which was in Montana. I was with a bunch of amazing creators. We were all hanging out for a weekend at a dude ranch, trying out Sony gear and filming stuff and just having a great time. It was incredible. It was amazing. I'm probably gonna try and cut together all my footage of that at some point in the future for a future video for you guys here on the channel. But they had giveaways every day or every night, and then when we came home, they did one more giveaway for us, and that was for this camera, and lo and behold, I was lucky enough to win. I still can't believe it, it's crazy. We're gonna be unboxing this today. I'm gonna try and keep this video pretty short, but I know it's a brand new camera, it's the holiday season, maybe some of you guys were looking for a new camera or something, and so hey, I wanted to unbox it, and then that would be that. So here's the box. By the way, this is the A6600 kit. So it includes the 18 to 135 millimeter f3.5 to 5.6 OSS. So it's got optical stabilization. And then the camera body itself has 5-axis sensor stabilization as well, which is pretty cool. Goes ahead and opens up. So inside immediately we've got just some paperwork. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so inside the box we've got our lens, we've got the camera body and the camera strap, and then I'm guessing like batteries and chargers and stuff over there. So let's just bust into this. So it comes with a Sony Alpha strap. Pretty standard strap. You've got your little loops. You kind of got to thread it through. Then we've also got a power brick, American wall plug to USB. This was alongside of that, but this would be the eyepiece. Then we've got the battery. So this A6600 takes Sony's new Z battery, which I guess they've been using in the A7 III, I think for like a couple years now maybe, but essentially it's a bigger, beefier battery that's supposed to last a lot longer than the typical Sony APS-C batteries that have previously been found in the A6000 line of cameras. So this one features the bigger battery, which is awesome. I'm really excited about that. So this is our battery here. There's a charging, I think it's a charging cable in here. So it's got USB to what looks like micro USB. So next is the lens, and this is wrapped in bubble wrap, so nice and protected, which is great. Comes with a lens hood. So let's pull that out. I'm really excited about this camera too. This is my first mirrorless camera, so I think this camera will be nice and small, be great for hiking, things like that. And then we've got the lens itself, which like I said is wrapped in bubble wrap. And here we go. That back part wasn't secured all the way, that kind of came off. I'll go ahead and tighten that. All right, so here's the lens. It's not very big, which is great, very portable. Again, this is the 18 to 135, so you've got a huge zoom range here. You know, not gonna be the kind of lens where you're gonna get the best shallow depth of field or anything, but for travel purposes and just everyday all-purpose use, I think this lens is awesome. 18 is pretty wide, and then 135 is, you know, that's awesome. So that's pretty telephoto. So I'm excited to use this lens. We'll go ahead and set this over to the side, and we'll get the body out now, which is gonna be the most exciting part. All right, so here we go. All right, so here it is. This is the Sony A6600. You can see it's pretty small. If I hold up for comparison, like my iPhone 8 Plus, it's actually smaller. It's smaller than my iPhone. I mean, not in terms of width or depth, but in terms of length, it's smaller, which is pretty cool. So definitely a very portable, small little camera. This one does feature the back screen that flips all the way up, like this for vlogging. I don't know that I love that. I wish it went out to the side, because obviously it would be blocking the hot shoe here. But it's nice that it does have the front-facing screen. All right, so next thing I want to do is just put the lens on so I can see what it looks like with the lens. All right, so here we go. Nice small little package. Got the, like I said, 18 to 135 lens on there, and this is light, this is small, I like it. Let's pop the battery in so we can kind of feel what it feels like with the full weight on there. And I think that they built this A6600 with a deeper battery, or a deeper grip here to fit the new Z battery. I can tell you just from holding it right now, right away, the grip does feel good. It feels deep, which I like. I like having something stable to hold on to when I'm using a camera. So that is awesome. But the lens and camera body itself are very small. This is a really portable setup. I don't know that I'll do a review or anything, but I'll definitely probably give my thoughts at some point in a later video once I've gotten the chance to use this camera. And I'm very excited to use it for video. It does have some features that my current camera does not have, such as 4K and 120 FPS in HD, which would be pretty nice. So anyways, that's the unboxing of the Sony A6600. I would like to thank Sony as well for sending that to me. I'm looking forward to using this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing. Subscribe if you're new here. Check out all of my videos, my adventure and travel films. And thanks guys for watching. I'll talk to you later. Peace.